Welcome to my next class of integers for class 5th, 6th and 7th. In this class we'll learn the multiplication of fraction and how to reduce to lowest form. Means we are reducing to improper fraction. Let's start. First we'll write the given, that is 2 by 3 into 2 of 2 by 3. This 2 by 3 will be as it is, student. Here it is given in the form of improper fraction. First we have to write the proper fraction to solve it. 3 2s are 6. Then 6 plus 2, 8. So this will be 8 divided by 3. Now 2 8s are 16 divided by 3 3s are 9, student. What is said? Reduce to lowest form if possible. This can be written as 1 by 7 by 9, students. See here, we converted that into the lowest form, that is improper fraction. 9 ones are 9 plus 7, that is 16, student. So this is our answer, 1 of 7 by 9. Next, student, first we will write the given. Question is 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. Now first we have to multiply numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator. 7 into 9. 2 7s are 14 divided by 7 9s are 63. Again it is divisible by 7, student. 7 2s are 14. 7 9s are 63. Answer will be 2 by 9. We cannot reduce it to simplest form, student. It is not possible. Even if I take 1 here, then also we cannot. 9 ones are 9, then plus 1 will be 10. 10 by 9. Actually is 2 by 9. After reducing it to simplest form or after reducing it to improper fraction, we should get the same value. If we are not getting same value, then if it is not possible to get the same value, it means we cannot convert such values into improper fraction, or you can say lowest form. Now next question, student. I am not writing given, but I want you to write it. I am solving directly. Numerator into numerator, 3 into 6. Denominator into denominator, 8 into 4. 3 6 are 18 divided by 8 4s are 32. Now the further division is possible. We can divide it by table 2, student. 2 9s are 18. Then here I can divide 2 1s are 2. Then 1 will remain. This become 12. It will be 2 6 are 12. So answer will be 9 by 16. This also further solution is not possible. We cannot reduce it to lowest form, or we cannot reduce it to improper fraction, student. So this will be our answer for this question. Next question. Numerator into numerator, 9 into 3 divided by denominator into denominator, 5 into 5. 9 3s are 27, 5 5s are 25. Now I can write it as 1 of 2 by 25. I can reduce it. 25 ones are 25 plus 2, 27 divided by 25. This is our answer, student. 25 ones are 25 plus 2. 25 plus 2, 27 divided by 25. Again 1 into 15, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Then 1 into 15 is 15. Keep in mind, anything into 1 is anything, or 1 into anything is anything. Divided by 3 8s are 24. Now this can be divisible by 3, student. 3 5s are 15 and 3 8s are 24. Answer will be 5 by 8. Further, we cannot reduce it to lowest form, or we cannot reduce it to improper fraction. One thing is, student, you can note here, we can convert any fraction into improper fraction if the denominator value is less than numerator value. Keep in mind, this is important. This we can note here. If here you can see denominator is less than numerator, we convert it into improper fraction. It means if denominator is less than numerator, then only it is possible to reduce, or then only it is possible to convert it into improper fraction. Otherwise it is not possible, student. Like here 2 by 9, denominator here it is greater than numerator, so we cannot convert this into improper fraction. Next, student, next question. 11 into 3, numerator into numerator, 2 into 10, denominator into denominator. 11 3s are 33, 2 10s are 20. Now let's convert it into improper fraction, or we can also say it, reduce it to lowest form. 1 of 13 divided by 20, student. 20 ones are 20. This will already be same, only this value will change. Keep in mind, 20 ones are 20. 20 plus 13 will be 33. 30 divided by 20, student. Last question. 4 into 12 divided by 5 into 7, student. 4 into 12. 12 4s are 48, student. Divided by 5 7s are is 35. Can we reduce? Yes, student, we can reduce, because denominator is here, denominator is less than numerator, so it can be written as 1 of 13 divided by 35. 35 ones are 35, then plus 13 will be 48 divided by 35. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Tech Mathematics. Thank you for watching my videos.